What's up, guys? MX Guru here. I've seen some posts lately, guys making comments like, oh, I just got a new bike and it doesn't have an airbox hole in the perfect place for me to grab to lift it up on the stand like I used to with my 2000 WR 400F or something like that. And then other guys will chime in and say, well, just lift it by the subframe, or, oh, I just lift mine by the swing arm. And man, all these things just make me absolutely cringe because none of them are necessary. None of them are the right way to do it. I'm going to show you right here the right way and the easiest way and the most leveraged way to put your bike on the stand without putting any effort into it at all, really. All right, guys, so it's all on the hip. For your grab point, right here, this rear fender has more than enough strength and body to leverage your bike. It's all on the hip. Watch. When you want to put it back on, grab it here, up against your thigh. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. I mean, you can, I don't know why anybody would want to grab the pipe and grab the subframe and grab the swing arm. Like, this is it, guys. This is your ticket. We can do that all day. Do it this way. Do it the right way. Because every time somebody grabs their bike by the swing arm, an angel loses its wings.